Hello, this is a video to show you what your Works Cited page should look like when you've finished gathering all of your entries, all of your sources. Notice that everything is in the same font, everything is double spaced, just as the rest of your paper is. Notice at the very top you have Works Cited, which is centered. It's not bolded, it is not larger, it is not underlined or italicized or in quotation marks, exactly the same as everything else. Notice that your other entries, they're double spaced, they're left justified, but they have the hanging indent. I've shown you in another video how to do that. All right, everything is organized not by how the entries appear in your paper, but in alphabetical order according to the last name of your author. Now, I put here a tweet on purpose because a symbol comes before a letter in alphabetical order. It doesn't matter whether that's a P or a Q or an A, it doesn't matter. The @ sign comes before the B in Baron. Notice the Baron et al. It's because there were more than 3 editors of the book. Then I've given you some URLs, and I wanted to show you this one. This is a book by Michael Doris and Louise Erdrich. Notice the last name is put first for this one, and it's not inverted for the second author. You can see that in the Noodle Tools in the LCC library. But notice this book is also by Michael Doris and Louise Erdrich. So instead of repeating the names, I have 3 dashes followed by a period. That means it's exactly the same. It doesn't mean that it is just by Michael Doris. It means it's by Michael Doris and Louise Erdrich. If I had a book that was just by Michael Doris, believe me, he published a lot by himself. It would come before that because nothing comes before something. But this one comes after this one, even though it was published before, because I'm going left to right. This is the same authors, and this title starts with an R, and this title starts with actually a C, because we don't count the T in the. So this one comes first, this one comes second. Notice my last entry here does not have an author, and so I categorize it under the title, and the U comes at the end of this. I hope this helps. Let me know if you want to go over your Works Cited page with me. I'd be glad to. Good luck.